Hello, Jack Lee here for Really Realtor. Today I'm outside the offices of Mortgages.ca to talk about mortgages. More to come after this. Hello, welcome back. We're actually inside the office now with the president and founders of Mortgages.ca, James Harrison. James, hello, welcome.
Hi Jack, thanks for having me.
Thank you. So, James, tell us a little about your company and how you came about Mortgages.ca.
I've been in mortgages for over 11 years now. About 6 years ago, I opened up this office and started Mortgages.ca with my brother. It's been fantastic. We've been able to help clients, thousands of clients across the country. So it's been great.
Great. Now, as you know, I work with a lot of first-time home buyers, and I always stress the fact that if they're starting out on their home purchase journey, that they should really consult a mortgage specialist or a mortgage broker such as yourself. So maybe you can give us some benefits of actually working with a mortgage broker.
I'd say the first benefit would be unbiased advice. As a mortgage broker, I'm going to be working for the clients in their best interest first and foremost, not the lenders.
Great. What would be the second benefit?
I would say the second benefit would be choice. When you're working with a mortgage broker, we're going to have more choice for the clients. Because we work with 30 plus lenders, major banks, credit unions, trust companies, major mortgage lenders, we will be able to have more choice for the clients, so they'll be able to potentially save more money or get something that one bank or their lender may say no to. Just like when you're looking to buy a car and you go to Ford and you ask, what's the best car? They're going to tell you Ford.
Of course.
When you go into one of the banks, let's say you go into RBC, they're going to tell you that's the only option there is. But maybe the client is not taking into account all the pros and cons of every lender, and then they can narrow down the best choice for them.
And with the added advantage of having choice and you knowing all the different lenders out there, you also know there's particular policies and so forth. If you can customize and cater a lending solution that would best fit the client, right?
Yeah, absolutely. That's really where number 3 comes in, is in experience. When you work with an experienced mortgage broker like myself, I've been in the business for over 10 years. We've helped thousands of clients buy homes. So there isn't a deal I haven't seen. Be able to narrow down exactly what a client qualifies for or how to help them best meet their goals and save the most amount of money.
So there's definitely an advantage there of being specialized and only doing mortgages that sometimes traditional banks don't have, because they have a wide range of products that they have to service as well, right? So.
Yeah, I mean, a bank advisor is not a mortgage specialist. They're doing multiple things.
Right.
Opening bank accounts, GICs, investments. So whatever you're doing in life, you want to seek out a professional.
Yes.
Whether if it's if it's plumbing, you get a plumber. You don't get an electrician to do plumbing. So it's very important.
And if you're buying a house, use a realtor.
Absolutely.
Okay, and what else do you have?
So number 4, I would say, is service and convenience. Nowadays, less and less people have the time to get in their car, drive to the bank, find parking, and have a simple conversation. We can help people with conversations over the phone, email, Skype if need be, so we can get things done quickly. If you're going to see a home tonight, I can get you pre-approved in as little as 10 minutes.
The times that I have worked with you, James, I find that you have fast turnaround and you're always able to get to the client quickly by email or phone or whatever.
Yeah, and that's just it. We'd like to be as accessible as possible. We understand that it's a lot harder and everyone's busier now, so you need to be able to do things over the phone. So we can schedule a time that works for them. Sometimes nights, sometimes weekends, we have agents available. So whatever you need to do to make sure the client is fully serviced, that's what's important.
Great. And one last point for you?
The last one I would say would be access. So as one of the top brokers in the country, because of the amount of volume we do, we have TAP status and VIP access to lower rates and exceptions, which we need more and more now after the bank has put in the stress tests. So because of the volume we do, we get better pricing, which the client automatically benefits from. And if we need an exception, we're going to get it because of the volume we're sending.
Great. And one last question I'd have for you is, a lot of the time I work with first-time buyers that are kind of hesitant about going to see a mortgage broker as the first step for whatever reason. What would you say to those kind of buyers that are just starting their journey?
Well, the signs are showing that more and more first-time home buyers are seeking the advice of mortgage brokers. Last year alone, 85% of first-time home buyers went to a mortgage broker. That's a great sign. I encourage all clients to speak to a mortgage broker because, again, they're going to be looking out for the client's best interest first and foremost. There is no obligation. We can have a conversation, we can do an application, prepare them either for now, 6 months from now, a year from now. At the end of the day, they're going to learn something, and that's what's most important.
So James, thank you for coming today to speak to me and giving advice to our viewers. Now, if they want to contact you, what is the best way to do so?
Best thing to do would maybe just give us a call or send me an email anytime. My email is james@mortgages.ca, or you can give us a call, 647-795-8700, anytime. We'd love to schedule an appointment and help you.
Great. Well, with that, thank you for watching, and until next time, be well, and I'll see you soon.